Guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So, guys, as you are already aware that according to Accenture's hiring schedule, it was supposed to share the results of ASE role, which they have conducted the interviews in February, they on 24th of February. But yes, they sent the emails for the both rejection and selection emails. For the selection emails, they have started sending the task email, which is the documentation part the further process, which is now they have sent two kind of rejections which we'll discuss. First is your update on your interview and candidature status. So after the interview, if they have evaluated your overall performance in your recruitment process, and based on that they have sent the rejection email. So this is what about the overall performance, like interview plus your online assessment. Now the next rejection is your this rejection on update about Accenture recruitment process. Now this is something about the eligibility criteria rejection. Based on the eligibility criteria, if you do not meet any of the criteria, they have sent this kind of email. So both the rejection emails are different. Now, very important, if in case you haven't received any of the emails, wait for the email, because they do send, they send any of the email, rejection or approval, which is like the selection email, task email. Next point is very important, people who have received the email, the selection part. Now make sure that you end up uploading your all documents at one go correctly. Very important, I'm stressing on this part, because a lot of people make mistake on first go, and then they obviously they'll get rejection email, and then it will take time. Obviously your joining will get delayed, will get impacted due to your documentation part. So make sure you upload everything correctly. Now next part is that yeah, at the same time, while waiting for your result, if you haven't got any email, keep on applying for other companies as well, because you don't waste your time, and keep on applying, don't lose hope, keep upgrading yourself. And yes, you should have lot other companies offers as well. So yeah, keep on applying. So this was the update, and for the people who have got selection, I have created like the next steps videos. So the LOI and the how the LOI is being signed, everything I have created. You can just go through the playlist and watch those videos. So till then, guys, have a great day, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Peace.